welcome to this daily hypnosis session to stop teeth grinding. Teeth grinding, or Bruxism, is a condition where individuals unconsciously clench their teeth, usually while asleep. This action can lead to various adverse effects, including jaw discomfort, headaches, and damage to the teeth. Understanding and addressing this behavior can significantly improve one's quality of life, allowing for more restful sleep and decreased discomfort and dental issues. It is essential for those experiencing these symptoms to explore various methods, including hypnosis, to mitigate the impacts and find relief from the unconscious stress and tension that often accompany this condition. Please ensure you're in a safe, comfortable, and distraction-free environment while participating in this session. Hypnosis requires concentration, and a serene setting will enhance your experience. Please do not listen to this session while driving or operating heavy machinery. Now, isn't it wonderful to consider how the mind and body, intertwined in their intricate dance, can learn new steps to bring peace? Perhaps you might find the gentle waves of relaxation washing over you as we journey together into a space of tranquility. As you sit or lie comfortably, your conscious mind could begin to drift, to wonder, maybe to ponder on a beautiful memory, a peaceful place, or the rhythmic breaths that whisper the calming tales of the winds. And it's interesting how some people find their eyes choosing to close, embracing the comforting darkness, a prelude to a world of possibilities. You might find curious thoughts meandering like leaves on a gentle stream, each ripple a step deeper into relaxation, into the cradle of your inner world. It's quite pleasant, isn't it, how the subtle energies envelop one in a warm embrace, encouraging the symphony of your heartbeat to play its soothing melody. The body, possibly becoming a beacon of serene light, might draw your essence into its soft glow, each flicker a whisper, a call to the essence of peace within. And now, as you continue on this path, enveloped in serene energy, perhaps you might notice the subtle whispers of the winds, dancing, intertwining with the melody of your soul, whispering secrets of deeper tranquility. And isn't it fascinating how one can sink softly, gently deeper into the embrace of their inner world? Each breath a gentle wave caressing the shores of consciousness. With every exhale, it's as if the sands of thought become lighter, more refined, slipping into the boundless oceans of the subconscious mind. Each grain could be a vessel, a bearer of serene echoes, whispering tales of unseen realms where every essence finds its sanctuary. It's a place where the symphony of the soul may play the harmonious tunes of essence and being, where every note is a gentle breeze, swaying the branches of the eternal tree of tranquility. And as the roots delve deeper into the soils of being, they might draw the nourishing essence of peace, spreading it through every fiber, every cell, a harmonious dance of energy and light. This dance, it's the waltz of the winds and the leaves, is the harmonious melody of the celestial spheres, inviting your essence to delve deeper, to become one with the universal symphony of tranquility. And isn't it truly intriguing the intricate ways our mind can choose to release, to let go of the little habits, perhaps like grinding teeth, that it has unconsciously adopted. Maybe as you're immersed deeper within your inner sanctuary, you can become aware, subtly, gently, of the realms of possibilities, the boundless landscapes where new, harmonious habits are forged. It's quite amusing to think about how our jaw, this diligent worker, might be yearning for a rest, a reprieve from the unnoticed tension. It could be that it's whispering softly, ever so softly, telling stories of the gentle breeze, of the soft feathers of relaxation that it longs to embrace. Maybe it's been holding on to the notion, the subtle impression that it needs to be always at work, tirelessly grinding, believing it's protecting, sustaining. However, perhaps it's time for it to realize, to really understand that relaxation, peace, is its true nature, is its essence. And as you're floating in this harmonious realm, you may find the gates of change opening, welcoming you to the gardens of transformation. It's within these gardens that the seeds of new, serene habits are waiting, whispering tales of peace and ease. Perhaps as these seeds are touched by the soft rains of realization, they might begin to sprout, to grow, whispering to every fiber, every cell of your being, the symphonies of tranquility and release. And it's quite captivating, isn't it, to imagine these new, delicate sprouts of habit weaving through your essence, intertwining with your fibers, whispering sweet melodies of relaxation and peace to your diligent jaw. They could be telling it tales of the gentle breezes, the soft feathers, inviting it to dance in the winds of tranquility, to rest in the embrace of peace. And as your jaw listens, it might find the symphonies resonating within its essence, the sweet melodies echoing through its fibers, awakening the realization of its true nature, its harmonious being. And isn't it wonderful to consider that as you're immersed deeper within this realm of possibilities, your essence is becoming a beacon of transformation, a beacon radiating the soft, gentle lights of new, harmonious habits. Every flicker, every whisper of this light is a melody, a symphony resonating within every fiber, every cell inviting them to dance in the harmonious waltz of relaxation and release. And as they dance, as they embrace the soft feathers, the gentle breezes, they're becoming the bearers of transformation, the weavers of new, serene habits. It could be that as this transformation unfolds, as the soft, gentle lights of new habits are woven deeper within your essence, the old, unnoticed tensions are finding their reprieve, their release. They might be realizing, understanding that their time has come, that it's time for them to dance in the winds of transformation, to become one with the soft feathers of relaxation and peace. And as they release, as they become one with the winds, they're leaving behind the sweet echoes, the soft whispers of tranquility and ease. And you might find it intriguing to ponder upon how these echoes, these whispers, are becoming the guides, the companions of your diligent jaw, whispering to it the sweet melodies of its true nature, its serene essence. They could be telling it tales of gentle breezes, the soft feathers, inviting it to rest in the embrace of peace, to become one with the symphonies of relaxation and release. And as your jaw listens, it might find the echoes resonating within its being, the whispers weaving through its fibers, awakening the realization of its harmonious, tranquil nature. And as this journey unfolds, as your essence dances in the harmonious waltz of transformation, you might find the realms of possibilities opening wider, the landscapes becoming more boundless. It's within these realms that the seeds of new, serene habits are waiting, whispering tales of peace and ease. And as these seeds are touched by the soft rains of realization, they might begin to sprout, to grow, whispering to every fiber, every cell of your being, the symphonies of tranquility and release. And isn't it fascinating to imagine that as you're immersed deeper within your sanctuary, your essence is becoming the bearer of transformation, the weaver of new harmonious habits. Every flicker, every whisper of your essence is a melody, a symphony inviting every fiber, every cell to dance in the harmonious waltz of relaxation and release. And as they dance, as they embrace the soft feathers, the gentle breezes, they're becoming the bearers of new, serene habits, the weavers of transformation and peace. And now as the harmonious waltz reaches a serene pause, perhaps you might feel the gentle breezes of awareness softly, gently caressing your essence. And isn't it interesting how the soft lights of consciousness could begin to weave through your being, whispering tales of the waking world, inviting your essence to dance in the realms of the present. Every whisper, every flicker of these lights is a gentle wave, caressing the shores of your being, awakening the symphony of awareness with every fiber, every cell. And as you begin to rise, to awaken, you might find the sweet echoes of transformation, the soft whispers of new, serene habits accompanying your essence, becoming your companions in the dance of the waking world. Your jaw perhaps feels lighter, more at ease, might be embracing the soft feathers, the gentle breezes of its true, harmonious nature, becoming a bearer of tranquility and release. And as you step into the dance of your days and nights, you may find the whispers of new serene habits accompanying you, whispering tales of peace and ease. Each step, each breath might be a symphony of relaxation and release, inviting your diligent jaw to rest, to embrace its true, harmonious nature. And within each moment, you can choose to be the bearer of tranquility, the weaver of peace. May the gentle winds of transformation guide your steps and whisper to your essence the sweet melodies of tranquility and release. Embrace the dance of the present to be the weaver of serene symphonies, and let your being radiate the soft, gentle lights of harmonious habits. And until next time, goodbye and good mental health.